Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Velocity calibration, if material velocity is unknown. Change the echo type to radius, and input radius 1 and radius 2, e.g. 50 mm, 100 mm. Adjust the gain and sampling range. Position the probe at the center of the two curved surfaces on the CSKIA test block. Move the probe left and right to find the maximum echo amplitude on both curved surfaces. Adjust the gate to select the first echo, R equals 50 mm, then click Get Position 1 and the second echo, R equals 100 mm. Then click Get Position 2. Click Calibrate to obtain the calibration value and complete the velocity calibration.
Audio Jungle.